Resolving daily operational friction, like manual spreadsheet tracking or slow approval workflows, typically requires securing an IT budget and waiting on developer backlogs that stretch for 6 months. Modern AI coding environments allow you to connect persistent databases, set up secure email logins, and deploy functional applications to live URLs in 48 hours. By handling the hosting and data layers through automated platforms, experienced professionals can now build and ship custom tools without waiting on a technical queue. Modern AI tools turn software development into an architectural conversation. Your primary responsibility is defining the project scope, establishing system boundaries, and maintaining accountability over data handling. Before prompting an AI tool to write code, you must define 5 structural decisions on paper: the specific problem scope, user context, the data layer, authentication methods, and the hosting destination. Selecting a clean tech stack, like Supabase for persistent storage and Vercel for automated deployment, ensures the application remains stable and scalable once it is live. Skipping these 5 architectural choices forces the AI to make random assumptions about your database and security setup, resulting in logic errors that are difficult to salvage later. Successful shipping depends on executing the build in small, verifiable steps over a single weekend. Friday evening is dedicated to answering the 5 architecture questions. On Saturday morning, you use the AI to generate the user interface layouts and input forms. Saturday afternoon involves connecting your database tables and prompting the AI to build the primary backend feature logic. This is how a logistics lead in Auckland replaced manual freight spreadsheets with a custom tracking web app connected to a Supabase database in a single weekend. Sunday morning is spent testing edge cases and handling validation errors. By Sunday afternoon, the application is reviewed for security and deployed to Vercel. Isolating one specific workflow and building the smallest useful version first is the most reliable way to ensure the tool is functional by Monday morning. AI coding agents frequently write plausible code that contains quiet logic bugs, such as incorrect formula operations or missing input validation rules. You must personally verify every calculation and data flow. This review ensures the tool aligns with New Zealand Responsible AI Guidance and Privacy Act obligations. Once the code is verified, you deploy the repository to a hosting platform like Vercel, making the tool accessible to your team via a live web link. Identify one manual operational headache in your workplace today. Answer the 5 foundational architecture questions on paper and initiate your first 48-hour build sprint this weekend.